Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Shivansh and today I will tell you about function of keyboard. So let's begin with function keys. There are 1 to 12 function keys in the keyboard. Number 1, F1. It opens and helps screen for almost very programs. Number 2, F2 allows you to rename a selected file or folder. Number 3, F3 opens a search feature for an application that is active at the moment. Number 4, F4 Alt plus F4 closes the active window. Number 5, F5 allows you to refresh or reload the page or document window. Number 6, F6 moves the cursor to the address bar in the most internet browsers. Number 7, F7 used to spell check and grammar check a document in Microsoft Word. Number 8, F8 used to access the boot menu in Windows when turning on the computer. Number 9, F9 refreshes a document in Microsoft Word and sends and receives email in Outlook. Number 10, F10 activates the menu bar of an open application. Shift plus F10 is the same as right clicking. Number 11, F11 enters and exits full screen mode in internet browsers. Number 12, F12 opens and saves as dialog box in Microsoft Word. Now let us know about the function of keys on the keyboard. Alt key, a computer key that you press together with some another key so that the other key does something different from what it usually does. You can also refer to this key simply as Alt. Arrow key, one of four computer keys marked with an up, down, left, or right arrow used for moving the cursor. Backspace, the key that you press on a keyboard to move one space backwards in a document. Caps lock key, a key on a computer keyboard that makes all the key produce capital letters. Character set, a complete set of letters, numbers, or symbols that can be used by a computer. Command key, on some computers, a key that you press together with another key to make the computer to do a particular thing. Control, the control key on a computer keyboard. Delete key, a computer key that removes character. This key is something simply referred to as del. Control key, a key on a computer keyboard that is used in combination with other keys for doing particular operations. This key is usually marked CTRL. CTRL abbreviation control, the control key on a computer keyboard. Enter key, a key on a computer keyboard that makes the computer perform an action or start a new line of writing. Escape, the escape key on a computer. Escape key, a key on a computer keyboard that allows someone to stop an action, leave a program, or return to a previous menu. This key is usually marked ESC. Function key, a special button on a computer keyboard that is used for a particular operation in a program. The keys near the top of a keyboard marked F1 to F12 are function keys. Hotkeys, a key on a computer keyboard that provides a short way of performing a set of actions. Keypad, the part at the side of a computer keyboard that has number keys and arrow keys on it. Numeric keypad, the part of a computer keyboard to the right of the main keys that has keys with numbers on them. Number lock, a computer key that you press to make the number keys below it enter numbers and not be used for moving up and down a document. Return key, a key on a computer keyboard that makes the computer perform an action or start a new line of writing. Shift, computing a shift key on a computer keyboard. Shift key, the key that you press on a computer keyboard when you want to write a capital letter. Shortcut, computing a computer icon or a combination of keys on the keyboard such as Alt plus C that helps you to do something on the computer more quickly. For example, go to a particular program or copy information. Space bar, the long narrow bar at the front of a computer keyboard that you press to make a space between words when you are typing. Star key, the star with the asterisk symbol on a telephone keypad or computer keyboard. Tab, computing a button on a computer keyboard or typewriter that you press to more several space along the same line. Tab key, a tab on a computer keyboard. Toggle, computing a key or command on a computer that you use to move from one operation or program to another and back again. Touchpad, computing a small flat surface on a laptop computer that you touch with your fingers in order to move the cursor on the screen. Now let us know about some common shortcut keys. Number 1. Control plus A. These two keys will select all text or other objects. Control plus B. Bold highlighted text. Control plus C. Copy any selected text or another object. Control plus D. Bookmark an open web page or open font window in Microsoft Word. Control plus E. Center text. Control plus F. Open find window. Control plus G. Open Find in a browser and word processors. Control plus H. Open the Find and Replace in Notepad, Microsoft Word and WordPad. Control plus L. Italic text. Control plus J. View downloads in browsers and set justify alignment in Microsoft Word. Control plus K. Create a hyperlink for the highlighted text in Microsoft Word and many HTML editors. Control plus L. Select address bar in a browser or left aligned text in a word processor. Control plus M. Indent selected text in word processor and other programs. Control plus N. Create a new page or document. Control plus O. Open a file in most programs. Control plus P. Open a print window to print the page you are viewing. Control plus R. Reload the page in browsers or write align text in a word processor. Control plus S. Save the document or file. Control plus T. Create a new tab in an internet browser or adjust tabs in word processor. Control plus U. Underline selected text. Control plus V. Paste any text or another object that has been copied. Control plus W. Closes open tab in a browser or closes a document in Word. Control plus X. Cut selected text or another object. Control plus Y. These keys will redo and undo action. Control plus End. Moves cursor to the end of a document instead of end of the line. Control plus Z. Pressing these two keys will undo any action. Control plus Exit. Open the window Start menu. Control plus Tab. Switch between open tabs in browsers or other tabbed programs. Control plus Shift plus Tab will go backwards, right to left. Control plus arrow up. Redo. Control plus Z. Redo. Control plus end bottom. End of document or window. Control plus home. Top. Start of document or window. Control plus insert. Copy. Control plus PGDN. Next tab. Control plus tab. Next window or tab. Control plus arrow up. Shift plus tab. Previous window or tab. Control plus previous word. Control plus arrow right. Next word. Control plus delete. Delete next word. Control plus arrow left. Backspace delete previous word. Control plus alt. Backspace restart. Control plus alt plus arrow up. Rotate screen right side up. Control plus alt. Rotate screen upside down. Control plus alt plus arrow left. Rotate screen left. Control plus alt plus arrow right. rotate screen right. Control plus Shift plus exit. Open Task Manager. Control plus Del reboot. Open Task Manager or Session option. So, thank you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any question, you can comment us.